going to take this cover off right here. Just use a trim tool. Try to get underneath here. Just be careful. Try not to break it. Just pops up. You can see on the back side there's some push pins and some clips that hold it on. There's two 10mm bolts. There's one right here and one down here. Take those out with a 10mm socket. Start with the top one. Before we pull this out completely, we need to get underneath here. Just slide under here with a trim tool. And there's a couple push pins that hold this in. Just pop those out, just like that. And just slide the carpet out a little bit. You can get to where the connector is. There's a connector right there. If you have to, use a pick or a screwdriver, push down on the tab. And just try to slide the connector off. There we go, just like that. Then just slide the light off. There's a rubber grommet right here. You might have to go around the rubber grommet and pull it up. And it just slides right out. Now take the connector and the rubber grommet, slide it through the hole. You want to push this rubber grommet all the way in. If you need to, you can use a screwdriver. Make sure that seals properly. And line the taillight up. And just lock it in place. Now go inside and line the connector up and lock it down. You can slide this carpet back in position. Line the push pins up. Lock those down. And then if you take a trim tool, you can get underneath the weather stripping and just try to fold this under. That looks good. Now we're going to reinstall the screws and tighten those down. Line this trim piece up. And clip it down.